When I was growing up here as a child, this used to be our pond. Oh my God, look at this. Viewers and subscribers. This is
Whoa!
my fourth mango since I've arrived. You have to be strategic as a farmer yourself. So yes, I'm glad to be home once again. And
True. Stick and stay to see what's coming next.
Welcome to Jamaica Farmers Hut, exploring the future farmers of Jamaica. It's all about farming.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. I checked the man with the broad and long to get a bundle of callaloo, but I run into someone who I know from way back, but she was not here. But trust me, she loved the farm also. So right now, my viewers, I'm going to introduce you to my friend here. All right, stick and stay to see what's coming next. All right, my viewers and subscribers, as you can see, she's eating a Julie. East Indian.
Yeah, it's a
East
mango.
Indian. Whoa.
This is my fourth mango since I've arrived.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Lovely. I got this in St. Anne's Day.
Okay.
Really nice mango.
Okay.
The cost I think was $400
Yeah.
for the whole. I think it was 6 of them.
Yeah. So,
Very nice.
right.
I had a number 11 the other day. They're kind of a bit sour, but still, enjoy
Have the taste. Yeah. Right.
But this nice beefy East Indian mango. Yeah, it's absolutely nice.
Yeah. Right.
Sweet.
So you've been away for so long, but you're still into the farm.
Of course, I always watch your program.
Right.
Yeah.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Oh,
yeah.
Right. Precisely, according to precisely.
The man with the broad and long. Precisely.
Precisely, yeah. Yes. So, I'm just stealing his catchphrase then.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So really and truly, it's about being organic, really, having organic stuff. Less GMO product you can have into your diet, the better it is for you.
Yeah.
As you know that there's a lot of illnesses arriving from the food, the artificial thing what we have in the food, what we are consuming. So really and truly, we need to promote health and well-being by going organic, eating less meat and doing more fish and green, for good health and longevity.
Okay. Yes. But I can see that you have that health.
I'm not really fat.
Yeah, right.
I had some weight on some time ago.
Yeah.
I've lost the weight. My metabolism is very fast. So as a result of that, I can put weight on this week and next week. Like it's just drop off, just like that.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I understand.
I don't need to go to the gym to lose weight. Some people struggle to maintain this size. My size is okay. It could be a bit more beefy, but
you don't want any more beefy, man. You're good.
It's okay.
Yeah, that viewers. Whoa, that mango.
I'm fighting with this mango.
Yeah, that mango is nice.
Precisely.
Lord of mercy, my viewers.
Lovely mango.
All
right, the man with the broad and long. White House banana.
The frog banana. It's a fully alkaline banana.
Yeah.
People are afraid of it, but I don't know.
This is the original banana.
Original.
I them take all and get all the bananas them from.
Okay. So people running away from it.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put you in the pot now,
Right.
Have a little breakfast meal.
And them something how we eat.
Precisely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Health-wise, we are thinking about.
True.
Yeah.
The real man.
More from the farm, more organic food.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're dealing with now. Less fertilizer, less chemical.
Yeah.
Yeah, natural.
That's the way to go.
Yeah, blessed farmers out. Have a good time, my viewers.
I mean, man, because the man with the broad and long cook, he might bubble up a pot.
Precise.
Precisely.
All right, I have it.
Yeah, my viewers, and the mango is giving CHERYL a hard time, My God.
I had a fight with this mango.
Oh my God. Oh my God, I can tell. And then I go eat it all right,
Listen, one thing with these mangoes, they're going to your teeth.
Yeah.
Yesterday I have to get this plaster and I have to plaster about 10 minutes.
Mm-hmm. Up to this morning, I have to do it to get rid of the car them out my teeth.
Yeah. This is what happened with number 11 mango and so string mango and like the East Indian. You get a lot of strings coming out there and they come in your teeth and it's a hassle to get that out, honestly. But really and truly, while I'm here in the summer, whatever fruit I can get,
Yeah.
whatever fruit I can get, like maybe I'm not gonna get Newsberry.
Yeah, because I think them out.
Maybe also.
Yeah. And star apple.
I just want them mango, oranges, guineas, coconut, pear, What else? June plum.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
those
man.
things there might be able to get to my door.
So you're not getting no Aki yet? Although Aki,
Though.
Aki not really popular. You not see enough Aki this year.
What? Why?
Yeah, man, that's why the mango them stay. You know. More you eat
I
and
don't
more it
care.
seems like it have on flesh.
I think that's about it.
No,
Still.
you want to eat it till it's white.
That's murder in the mango.
Yeah, you want to see how some people do it. The seed can plant again after.
That's murder in the mango.
Yeah.
But really and truly, I would love to go to Jimmy Young and them places for some mango.
Yeah.
And what they call Stonehenge. You know, I've never...
over the hill there, no? Over the hills and valley there. Yeah.
Imagine.
Jimmy Young.
I was born here and I've never been to Jimmy Young. Yeah, I've been to Manti. I've never been to Campbell's. I've been to Red Hills.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I've been around the place. I've never been to Hydal.
Oh.
There's so much place I haven't been. And imagine.
Oh, yeah, sir.
Yeah, never been to a few places around here. But never too late to show a friend.
That's true. Because I go to Jimmy Young all the time. I have a friend up there. What I did. I think if you did see the video with Val.
Yes, I did.
I saw me up there so for Jimmy Young.
Okay, that's far, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, up on the mountain there.
Yeah, never gone to see. So who was Jimmy Young? I'm intrigued by that name. I've been thinking about the name.
I don't really know.
Who is Jimmy Young? This is the thing we need to find out from the elders.
Yes, we have to ask the elders.
We need to ask them questions before there's no more elders around to give us the history.
Right, because the name was given from someone.
Well, Jimmy Young must be somebody.
Jimmy Young.
Or it could be somebody died up there called Jimmy Young. Somebody beheaded.
Yeah, something.
It could be something, and they, hence the name. And it's like a knife, what they call a particular name.
Yeah.
And it was used to do a particular crime.
Yes.
So it earned a particular name.
So it get that name.
I'm not going to say what it is.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Yeah.
So
true.
stuff like that, things like that.
True.
Really
Jimmy Young.
truly, Jimmy Young must be somebody famous. Maybe he owned the land up there.
Yeah.
Like Hyde. Hyde is owned from the slave master.
Okay, yeah.
Thomas Hyde Clark. So Clarkstown is from a guy called Hyde Thomas Clark.
Yeah.
And his fourth, I think his great grandson live in England, Sebastian Coe, Lord Coe.
Oh, okay.
Who is the man behind the Olympics. Yeah. So he was actually in Clarkstown about 7 years ago doing a documentary. Yeah, and I saw it on TV, and I was really impressed and intrigued. At the same time, bittersweet because it comes off the back of slavery and all of that. So, it was quite something to contend with looking at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm here, home.
Yeah,
home
man.
is where the heart is.
Yeah,
you know what I mean? So, anytime,
true.
Jamaica.
For real. I go down to Idol over there, down at the Great House, me even have the video up.
Yeah?
Yeah, but me go inside of the downstairs, but me never go no further inside because it look creepy.
There. Really?
Yeah, and the stairs, if you go upstairs, they break down.
Yeah, so you have
I
to
break down, so me not go up there neither. But
yeah, there are things that, you see the things that we take for granted here.
Yeah.
People abroad
come here
they
just for that.
the opportunity to come for these things, to dig into the history, to find out like reasons behind certain things. Yeah, so when we are thinking, playing around with the callaloo, they want to come and cut the callaloo and dissect it and talk about the stem. Talk about the properties and nutritional facts about the callaloo. We have it and just eat as callaloo, innit?
Yeah, we not look on it, that's true.
No, we're not looking at it. There are things what I wanted some Cersei. And I have to go and buy Cersei from the shop in a bottle. And I mean, look at Cersei.
Yeah.
I don't even know what some of these.
So how much you pay for that Cersei?
I think the Cersei was about £2.50.
My
whatsoever
God.
the equivalent is
Then £2.50 no more for money.
That's the money, £2.50. You buy for everything over there regarding to Jamaican herbs.
Yeah.
It's expensive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you're not gonna try some Cersei for
I want some Search Me Heart.
Oh.
Dandelion and burdock, because that's good for high blood pressure, they said, and amongst other things.
Yeah.
So, and Cersei, what else? I got some pickle and other things what I've already got, but really and truly, the Cersei would be an ideal thing because that do a lot for the blood, innit?
Yeah, man, it purges the blood. Yeah.
So yeah, I can see a plant over there look like something what I plant in my backyard in England. That yellow plant, there is a yellow. It's right there. Yellow? Marigold.
Oh.
A marigold plant.
Oh,
the
marigold. No man, German have to plant them and them keep the bug off the. And them keep the bug off the callaloo, you know.
Yes, somebody once told me that the marigold plant is significant in the garden.
Yes.
As it's kind of
no bug no go inside it.
The pests.
Yeah.
Yes. So when you look at bugs and frogs what will come and destroy and your crops. Having those plants in between the crops will deter them from coming in.
Yes.
It's very good. So you have to be strategic as a farmer yourself. You have to know what will work. You have to know what won't work.
Yeah.
You work with the McDonald Almanac?
Yeah.
Some farmers work with that to see work with the moon.
Yeah.
Yeah, certain things can't grow at a particular time.
Right,
Like could be the full moon, with the last quarter, first quarter. I don't know, it works still.
Yeah.
Astrology. Yeah.
Yeah.
So there are people, really religiously, you can't tell them nothing about, oh, you're gonna plant something tomorrow. They need to check they resort to the McDonald Farms.
Is
Almanac
the moon
first.
phase me always check? Because the
When
quarter.
it's waxing and when it's waning.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. That is important.
No, it's very important because things become less potent
Yes.
or more potent.
All right. So you have to know.
During that time.
Yes.
How does my mouth look with the mango after eating the mango?
You know, look now, you know, okay. On with the card in
The
your
card
teeth
in
now.
my teeth and in my teeth.
It's all about mango. Is that?
He give a spin to the whole thing, isn't it?
It's all about mango. It's all about mango.
But my next, I'll tell you what I had a while ago. I had a nice cup of mint. That was nice.
Yeah.
Okay, good for the stomach.
Yeah.
But I noticed that my blood sugar was very low.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm not diabetic, but I'm just saying. I
Yeah.
haven't been eating since I'm here because it's so hot. All I'm doing is drinking water.
Yeah.
I had henshore last night. I had one the night before. I had a few little bits and bobs in between. But really and truly, I need a big meal tonight.
Yes.
I need to pig out. I need to have something. When I said pig out, fasting is still good. Yeah, because I've been doing that since I'm here. And to be honest, it is working. I haven't gained any weight. I think I might have lost a bit.
Yeah.
It's still okay,
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do is have something like some calalotos, boiled bananas and yam.
I hate me. I go
Over
look right now.
get them sort of things very
Yes.
often,
Yeah.
go to, sweet potato is like it's very scarce, Sweet potato, you can get it, but it's the one what bought in the supermarket, watery and all that.
Oh.
So it's very. I use them to make sweet potato pudding, but really it's very scarce. Scarce commodity. The real ones are.
Yeah.
So
And them not fresh.
They're not really fresh. Some of them are. They say they get them fresh from Jamaica, as they have the.
But how long it take to go up?
What?
The potato.
Grow.
No, how long it take to leave from
I
here
think
to
maybe
go?
about 2 weeks.
But
No.
But that not
It's
fresh.
not like when we had a ship taking things. It's
Ah,
not
okay.
ship. It's air cargo.
Okay.
Yeah, it's air cargo. So things
Yeah,
will
everything
get
is
there
here
within
now.
2 days or so. So yeah, I remember when I used to buy the true juice in England, and all of a sudden they stopped selling them up there
Yeah.
because of whatever reason. And it's a shame that sometimes we can't get the food that we want to promote good health.
True.
Yeah, and there are
True.
certain people, and I'm glad for the Jamaica diaspora who are actually instrumental to ensure that we continuously have our foods from the Caribbean. Because it's not just Jamaican people live there. We have people from Antigua, Trinidad and Tobago, and we have the same food. We might call them different name, but we still need the same thing. And I noticed green lime is very hard to
get
come
now.
right down here.
Yeah.
I'm
We don't know how
thinking,
comes.
what about the farmers? Why not plant a few of them here and there? Because I know that
Me try to get some of the engraft the limb. Them me have one yard,
you're going to have
engraft.
to do some engrafting because
Yeah.
what I can remember, lime, you can't really plant them very close because the trees, you have to give them a bit of space. And then they will get big because you won't be able to harvest them when it's time because you have to be careful of the thorns.
Yes.
So yes, I'm glad to be home once again. And
True.
Look at the mango, look at that one. I got one
Yeah,
this
it's
morning.
ripe,
Yeah?
That one is ripe.
And you know what? The fall is going to get that one.
Yeah, when it drop.
And I think this is something interesting. The cat has gone missing. There's a pregnant cat up there. And
Nganga?
Yes, she must have given birth somewhere, so I'm trying to find out where she is.
Oh, a secret
She
spot.
might need a bit of milk or something. Bless her.
A secret spot, she the man.
I tell you what, you're going to hear the kitten sometime. Maybe later on.
Yeah.
I woke up this man and said, I can't hear Kitty. Where's Kitty? Kitty was heavily pregnant. I think she was in it because she was making that sound, that meow, like she was going through, like she knows she was going to give birth. And I think she has,
Yeah.
I see the couple I said the cat is gone missing.
My God.
She's gonna have baby somewhere.
Yeah, in Ghana.
The bed or somewhere. Can you imagine? I would have to do that cleaning. I would have to be a vet. Incorporate the vet into my holiday.
I saw it go, man.
Oh my God.
Yeah, so like the search me out. Oh, you're going to get to the search me out. Up Burnt Hill. There's a lot of search me out up that side. You don't have to go far in.
I'm not going up there.
Okay.
No, because there's too much mosquito. I didn't have any report.
Oh.
The mosquito love my dog. Our blood is very nice.
Okay.
So
They'll come and feed on
they
it.
will come and feed on it. Yes.
My
Trust
God.
me, the mosquito. Oh my God. Yeah,
I
but
don't know if I can reach up
But
before.
if you can get me some and
Yeah, I'm
put
gonna
them
try.
out to dry. And if you can come across some lime, Aki.
Lime
even
can't
better,
get.
because I know certain things that you can.
Lime
It's very
can't
hard.
get.
Yeah.
Cause me use lime every day. I been down me buy lime last week.
Well, I was there yesterday. It was yesterday, the day before in Falmouth.
Yeah.
Quite different from when I was there. The
Mhm.
market, the setup, quite different to get to. I was there for ages trying to buy some things, and I didn't even go far in the market because it was different.
Yeah, man.
Everything has
It's
changed.
it's set up
I'm
different.
not saying it's a bad thing, because one thing is consistent, and that's change.
Yeah.
Changes will always happen.
Always.
Yeah. So no matter how the situation is bad or how good the situation is, there will be elements of change.
True.
Changes is always consistent.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that's a fact.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Have to.
So you might be depressed today. It doesn't mean you're going to be depressed tomorrow. It doesn't determine 10 years down the line. 10 years down the line, you can be happy every day, every hour, every second.
True.
Changes
It's
come.
all about life.
And life, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
True.
so
yeah.
go get some food to eat.
How is the sunshine?
The sunshine is very nice down here. It's very hot. It's overly hot. At the moment, we're having a heat wave in England.
Okay.
So going back there, it's not going to be a shock to the system because I'm coming from a hot climate as well.
Okay.
However, what I'm hearing is the level of heat, what's existing there right now, the soaring temperature, is such that people can't open the windows.
My God.
Right? And they have to constantly using the fans, right? To be honest with you, it's the same down here in a sense, but we've got the breeze. It's different.
Yeah, the breeze
it's
cool.
Sort of different. You see, in England, we won't be able to find the balance because we don't have a sea like that close enough.
Oh.
So this Jamaica is in the tropical, is in the Caribbean. Yeah, we definitely have very good weather like what we have in Florida. You know, so in England we didn't expect. Listen, England used to be just cold all the time.
Yeah.
So when you get like 1 week of warmness, just accept it and move on.
Have to work with
You know
it.
what I mean? Just work with it, because really and truly, it's not supposed to be a hot country.
Mhm.
So we're living up there, and we are people from the Caribbean or Africa.
Yeah.
So we just need to endorse what they are.
True.
Yeah.
True.
So really and truly, it's not going to be a shock going up there, but I kind of, anticipating going back to the heat because it's humid.
Yeah.
There's no breeze and you're tortured. You have to have the fan constantly on. You know, pools right now. I can't wait to go and put my swimming pool in the backyard and pull that up for the kids to go in there and leave myself and chilling in the because I'm going to crash, because trust me, I heard it's really soaring. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
This looks like yam. You
No.
know, what is
They
it?
call it hagwis.
So,
Supposed to hagwis.
so can you use this to make any sort of
No, I don't think so. No.
herbal tea?
We would have to check the man with the broad and long, Mr. Surprisely.
Mr.
I saw you go precisely.
Yeah, precisely.
Yeah. But it's a hagwis.
Agwis.
Yeah.
Okay, why is
And
it
them
called
say
that?
them- because I think they use it feed pig.
And this is this Picnic Mama bush or Children Mother's bush?
No, the one is different. On a
Picnic
picnic
Mama
bush.
bush, or you could say it's Children Mother bush.
No, that one different. That one different.
Picnic Mama bush or Children Mother bush. You hear me trying to make it Children Mother bush or
Yeah.
Picnic Mama bush?
Or picnic mama bush.
I'm getting a call. Hold on.
Proper English.
I think that phone call.
Yeah. Yes, my viewers.
Oh my God, look at this. Viewers and subscribers. I'm in shock and awe. I can see something very strange, something very bizarre, which is what I was known to me as the drunker float nose or the drunker blow nose. Look at that.
So yeah,
That red thing, it got very bad. It's the pungency, the smell, the
Sure.
pungent smell from this thing. It's called the drunker blow nose, the blow nose of the drunker.
So,
Right, you see how it's been consumed by flies?
yeah, so what you say now?
It's the drunker
the
blow
drunker-
of the nose. This is what I was told, I don't know.
Yeah.
But look at it, there are flies harboring all over it. Look at it. This is drunker float nose. The first drunker float nose in Jamaica, people.
My
The
God.
first one I've seen since I'm back for how many years
Me
already.
always see them, but
I've never seen one. You know what I'm going to do? Ask Papa Light what it is.
yeah.
Papa Light should be able to explain to you what that is, because really and truly, they say this is a drunker, aka the vulture.
Yeah.
The vulture blow that, and I don't know why people say that, but I am not sure about the facts of it, but I'm just giving you an overview based on what I was told when I was growing up. That
Yeah.
this is called the drunker float nose. Well, it looks like something what a drunker would actually blow out. It does look as if it's something from the vulture, in fact.
Yeah.
It's got a little, like about 6 holes all over it.
Right round it.
Right around it. And I think I would like to move around and play around with the drunker blow nose.
Charity. Have to get a stick.
Can I get a piece of food and I want to peruse it to see what's going on?
Peruse.
Let me peruse this.
My
Let me
God.
peruse the perusing of the. Oh my God.
But it come from underneath the soil.
Oh my God.
So how the drunker blow
Oh
it?
my God. This, it must be some sort of fungus. This is the dissecting the drunker blow nose.
So how him blow it underneath? Is it?
Dissecting the drunker float nose.
Mm-hmm.
Oh
See
my God. What is this? Look at this.
Oh.
My sister Avril. You remember the drunker blow nose?
So.
Maxine, do you remember the drunker blow nose?
And
Look
it
at
grow,
that.
it grow, you know?
That's what I'm thinking. It's
Yeah, it
something
grow.
what-
It will go grow
so,
bigger.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I'm intrigued by this. I am absolutely intrigued by this.
Yeah.
Because I need to know what it is.
Yeah.
I need to actually go into a book to review this and to see what it's all about. I want to smell it, but I don't think I want the viewers to see what I smell it. Because I understand that it's not an healthy smell. It's
Me not go smell it, you know?
I heard that it's disgusting.
Gotcha.
No, let me smell it. See,
Yeah, man, it grow.
this is something what grows the drunker
Yeah,
float nose.
Yeah.
It has holes in it, but look at the pattern. Look at that. It look like one of them croc shoes that me see ever wearing. It has a root, right?
Okay.
This thing here is some sort of fungus. But they said, people reckon that people who don't understand, you remember, we're still learning, and whatsoever was told to us, we hand it over to the generation.
Yeah.
And my people told me, right, that this is a drunker float nose.
Okay.
And I'm saying this now, and people might believe that they call it a drunker blow nose.
Yeah.
Yeah, whether it came out of the drunker nose, I don't know. I have never seen a drunker nose to know if something that big,
Come
something of that magnitude could never come from a drunker nose.
I got so yet now. If this come from the drunker nose, when it drop in the earth, it sink.
It may be sink, but then again, I don't believe so. I believe it's something small, and it grew because
Oh,
as you
yeah,
can see,
yeah.
there was a little root to it.
Yeah,
Yeah?
yeah, yeah.
If you look at the
Yeah,
seed
yeah,
right
man.
there,
Yeah, man. Mm-hmm.
no, this begs the question.
And it will go grow taller, you know.
You reckon you'd grow like a big mushroom?
Yeah,
Yeah. Oh
Yeah.
my God, this is so intriguing.
sure.
Really intriguing. The first drunker blow nose I've seen. I have seen since I've been traveling back here to Jamaica. It's something different to talk about, and honestly, yeah.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna investigate to see what's the name of this, because I think it's a fungus.
Mhm,
'Cause
yeah.
you know you have the mushroom. I think it's some sort
Yeah,
of fungus.
a fungus.
And probably one what's poisonous, we don't know.
Yeah.
Because they have poisonous mushroom what you can't
Mushroom.
They do have some mushrooms that you can consume, but some of them you can't.
Yeah.
So yeah, that is it. I was a bit, over the top with
Sure.
it.
All right.
Excited. Anybody know me will know that anything strange like that, I'm one for it.
All right. Okay.
I like strange things.
Yeah.
Yeah, so viewers, one love, all the best with the Jamaican.
Farmers hut. All right. Stick and stay, my viewers.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah, this is the view of the
lovely.
pond.
When I was growing up here as a child, this used to be our pond. The pond where we used to walk up along the side there. There were coconut trees, and I think there was this apple tree, another tree. And there was a little flat path there where we used to
Yeah.
walk to get to the cane tree and over the road. No, this pond has always been there. But sometime, what I can remember, it used to get dry at one point. But
Yeah.
does it get dry nowadays?
Yeah, man, it dry, but
Dry.
the rain fall back and it full up.
Oh my God, so there's... I heard that there's fish in the pond and turtle.
Oh, yes, them throw fish inside there.
So when the fish mature, what do you do? And do you feed these fish?
You know, no, you see this pond, true, we not having fish all the time.
Yeah.
When them throw fish now, the fish them grow up quick.
Okay.
Because them have whole lot of things to eat, because true fish never inside there.
Okay.
Yeah.
I remember, trust me ever, you remember when
Yeah.
the rain fell back then.
Yeah.
It spread across the whole.
Yeah, true.
Over there.
True.
You couldn't get across.
True.
You couldn't cross up there because the water gone so much, and then you have
Yeah.
these birds, what they call the divers.
Yeah.
And the divers used to come in there and I tell you with these divers, they're not easy enough. These birds will come as soon as the water just fresh. And as soon as it get really stale, they're gone.
Then
You
gone,
notice
yeah,
that? They
yeah.
don't stay there for long, and when the water recedes, they will go.
Yeah.
Yeah, they'll leave and go find other waters. But yeah, I can see there are trees. Those are fruit trees or just bushes.
Guava tree.
I
Yeah.
love guava.
Lot of
I
guava.
love guava. I wouldn't mind getting some guava to make jam.
Guava.
I used to make guava jam, me and Maxine.
Yeah.
Used to make guava jam.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I remember, oh my God, I remember that Nisberry tree.
Sure.
That Nisberry tree caused a significant amount of problem.
How would I
back in
say?
the days, yes.
Why?
Because the owner did not like us picking them.
Oh.
The owner did. You know, as kids, you go and steal people fruit.
Yeah.
Yes, you were good for that, you know.
Sure.
Yeah, I was instrumental.
Yeah.
in stealing fruits and kids. We used to walk down there, me, Maxine, Everton, and Steve, and we go over there and mass buy a new pass and like say, where you going? And we say we're going to look grass for the pig.
Yeah.
And we carry a big bag and we chop up the cane, put in and put grass on the
Oh
top.
my
And
God.
we pass him coming back and he didn't know that that's
A cane.
You say, kids. Kids are so full of trick. This is why sometimes we just have to tell our kids that we've been there and done that. So
True.
just come straight. Don't
True.
bother with this and that because we already know the score.
Yeah,
But I can also see something in the pond like they're looking like corn. What are they?
Some pan bush. Them always in a pan.
Lily? Those are
No. Some other grass but always in a pan. Pan grass. Once the water is there, them start to grow. Yeah.
That's good. That's good. That's something that's good. But normally you would have what they call the original water lilies.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But it seems like we don't have those anymore.
Well, some pan of it.
Some pan.
But
So
this
why
one.
don't you get someone to put on it? Look, you know how nice that would be?
Yeah.
Get some water in there.
Yeah. But the guys them who put fish in, even Steve put some fish in there too, you know. The last time and it dry, you know. And net then you catch them out. Big fish too.
So when you get those fish, what do you do with them? You eat them?
Them eat them, yeah.
Would you eat them?
No, me not eat them.
Why not? Because they eat frogs.
Well, I don't know, but me just not eat them. Me just not eat them.
So you wouldn't eat the fish from the pan?
Yeah, man. Me not eat pan fish.
Okay, because really and truly,
Yeah, man. Me eat
if
pan
it's
fish, man.
from the sea, maybe it's worse.
Yeah.
The pond they got more. I don't even know.
Yeah, man.
I don't even know what the fish.
Me eat pan fish, man.
Some of the fish really from the sea. Maybe what do they feed on? The one from the sea. What
From
do
the
they-
sea.
What they feed on?
No,
They
the
feed on whatsoever is there and other fish.
the
What
crumbs.
predator
Yeah,
fish.
yeah,
So you have predator fish down there as well.
yeah,
They feed on other fish.
yeah.
But in the pond you'll have frogs and whatever's bugs and algae and all those
Yeah,
things.
man, yeah.
So they'll feed on things
And
like
feed
that.
that, yeah.
You know? So but if a fish is feeding on those things, that's supposed to be a nutritious frog. I mean fish.
Fish.
Because you know, they have so much things on it. They're in the sea, they have anything there.
Yeah,
Not,
yeah.
not much, well, we don't know. 'Cause
Well,
I've never
yeah.
been to the sea.
There's a lot of things in the sea, same way.
Oh my God, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, so this is it.
yeah, man.
Jamaica. I
Yeah.
don't know why I'm coming back here still.
Okay.
Last time I came here was before COVID, 2018, 2017.
Yeah.
It was 2017 Christmas and 2018 April. So I came like within a very short window.
Okay.
You know. So I don't know. It was nice coming out still. Just
Yeah.
for a short break and a reason.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Understand.
And I haven't had a coconut or jelly since I'm here.
Oh.
Coconut jelly.
Oh, when me I leave here the night, me up on my mind in a but I was wondering where to get it.
You could have got my jelly.
Yes, I was wondering where to get it.
Oh gosh, I didn't know that. Yeah, so I'm in my sister's yard. Oh, look at this. Look
Wait,
at the,
apple?
apple.
I look like
apples.
apple in the tree.
There's no apple there.
But me see one on ground.
Oh, that must be the last of the apple.
My God.
Yeah, that gotta be the last of it. Yeah.
What's underneath you, man?
What? You don't say. Let me finish what happened to me. And let me give the viewers this one. Yeah? When I got home, when I got out the car, taking my suitcases down, yeah? And the driver took the suitcase and put them on the ground. I saw 2 bees flying around, and the bee never do a thing when I come and bit me right here.
Oh, what you saying?
A bee did that. Can you imagine if it was a wasp?
Oh my
If it was a wasp,
God.
I would still be suffering.
Yeah, that's
from the
what.
onslaught.
Yeah,
Honestly,
yeah,
because the bee, I understand that the bee sting is good for you.
yeah.
But with the wasp, wasp is, well, you know what? What is the significance of a wasp? You know, there are people that behave like wasp.
Sure.
And there are people that behave like the bee.
Yeah, yeah.
The bee is very important.
Yeah.
You look at the importance of the bee. I am like the bee, you know.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
I am
yeah.
like the bee. No,
But-
it's a perfect analogy for myself. I am like the bee. I'm not going to explain why. Right?
Yeah, yeah.
But there are people out there like the wasp. Just think about the two of them and the difference. Look at it and see. And then you may be the judge of that. Why I said I'm like the bee.
Yeah, me understand because the bee is making honey. Yeah.
It's not only that, there's a lot more. The bee. Look at
Yes.
the importance, what the bee does. Look at the wasp. Remember, you know, there's also another story where bee was teaching wasp to make honey.
Yeah.
And this is for some people, perfect analogy for people who don't want to wait.
Yes.
Wait for your time. Yeah, your slice of the cake is still there, you know. It's just the time. Yeah, everybody's got their time, right? So whilst bees was teaching wasp how to make the cone,
Yeah.
honey, he was gonna get to the honey bit.
Yeah.
Wasp didn't wait.
Yeah.
As soon as bee showed him, this is what you do. This is what you do to make the cone.
Yeah.
Wasp said, yeah, me get
Yeah,
it.
man,
and
he
gone.
get it and gone.
Until now, he stop at cone. Some people can never move from the cone.
That's true.
They will remain at the cone. They can never make honey.
That's true.
Right? Learn to make the honey. Wait, be patient.
Yeah.
Am I not right?
That's true, yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Of course I'm right.
Precisely.
Look at that. Nice jelly.
Yeah.
I would love one of them, but maybe they're young. I don't know how young they are or how old they are. But really and truly, I would love a jelly.
They look young.
Young jelly.
Wow.
Young jelly is good.
Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, man, the vibes is nice. Yeah. I went out to the crossroad one night to a little, you know, bar, me and the girls. So we stand up there and we have a little dance. I shake my foot a bit out there still. I'm not gonna lie, me did shake it. I just go on with myself.
All right.
Me go along with myself.
As usual.
As usual. You know what I mean? So yeah.
That's how it go,
I
man.
was there for a little while.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I think I had 2 magnums.
Okay.
Yeah. I love Magnum.
Yeah.
I love Magnum. I don't know what it is, but you know they're selling fake Magnum in the UK.
Yes.
There-
Yeah.
there are
They have it in Jamaica too.
Okay, with a brownish label. I don't know how they managed to get them out here, but those are fake. I know somebody who drank 2 of them and had a stomach problem after that, so you have to be careful.
Yeah.
So if it's not the real authentic product, I'm not going to partake of it.
Yeah, yeah.
Because I must know what's going in my stomach. And
True.
if I'm ill, I need to know what was the last food I had,
Yeah.
what was the last whatever meal you consumed.
Yeah.
So really and truly, just think about what you're eating.
True,
There
true.
are things that you should not be eating, and we don't know these things because we don't have anyone to teach us.
Yeah, yeah. The
As
one.
time goes by, you can listen to the good Dr. Sebi, some of his legacy, amongst other people who are actually telling you what's the importance of certain food and what to avoid, you know.
Yeah.
Because really and truly, you are what you eat. If I was eating a lot of fatty stuff, I'll be fat.
Yeah.
I'll be unhealthy.
You can a
If I
lot
was
of weight.
eating a lot, it would show on me. I'm not eating a lot.
Yeah.
Listen, you can't be too gluttonous when you reach certain age. You have to apply wisdom and calm down and trick yourself sometime when you're developing certain illness to say, if it's sugar it needed, trick it, starve it.
Yeah, man.
Go into fasting and said, no, because it's calling for sugar, but I'm not going to give you that carbs today and I'm not going to
Right.
give you so much because, you know, it won't be processed and it's just going to let you get big and out of proportion. But really and truly, I think what they should do as well is to start teaching the children from primary school or even from basic school because their brains, all they do, you know, can take all of that information.
Yeah.
Teach them about nutrition from that age, coming up to just to deter, you know, ill health in later life.
True.
Yeah, they should promote that.
Yeah, yeah.
And that should be a health promotion in every school, from primary, basic school onwards. It should start from there, not just when you get into secondary level, they start talking about nutrition facts. It should be promoted throughout. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
So
True.
really and truly, I don't know what else I'm gonna eat. I haven't had breadfruit since I'm here. No Jamaican apple, no coconut yet. Nothing I'm going for me down.
Sure.
Nothing I'm going for me down. The only thing we eat a mango and
Yeah.
orange and some tea, some bush tea, and what else?
Hmm.
I don't even eat a June plum.
Yeah.
Somebody was introducing me to a Chinese plum.
Yeah.
Or Chinese dinner. I said, no. I'm in
You-
Jamaica.
you want-
Tell me must get Chinese dinner.
No, sir.
A Jamaican
They
dinner.
want a Jamaican guinea.
Yeah, I want Jamaican dinner.
Mm.
Yeah, Jamaican dinner covered by.
Okay.
Yeah, so
So,
I'm gonna say my goodbye to viewers and subscribers.
all right.
One love to the nation. This
Yeah.
is CHERYL representing Ever Sick Jamaican Farmers.
Hut. All right, my viewers. Jamaican Farmers Hut. Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. All right. Peace and love.
I'm out.